Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today we are going to whip up a delicious and fluffy sponge cake with these ingredients. First, we'll mix the flour and baking powder together and sift them twice. Now we'll beat the eggs, vanilla, and sugar together until well combined. Mix until it becomes creamy and stretchy. Scrape the sides with a spatula once or twice. Like this, creamy and stretchy. Now we add the oil and milk to our mixture. And we'll beat it for a minute. Then add the flour in 2 stages, sifting it and mix with a spatula. Stir in a circular motion and in one direction. Our cake batter is ready. Fill the cake pan with the batter up to 2/3 of its height. Tap the pan 3 times to release any air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. The top of the cake will turn golden brown, as shown in the picture. Enjoy!